Chef Keith. I'm as a head chef in Hanway Place, London. I worked for the group for more than 10 years, and Hakkasan is a well-recognized international brand. It has a very supportive working culture and allowing room for us to explore and grow up as a chef. Retaining a Michelin means a lot to myself and my team. It's a recognition for our hard work and culinary skills. There are certainly still room for improvement, and we will strive for more size in the future. I'm quite experimentative with ingredients, and it's like a reflect that deserve food culture in my dish while preserving the exquisite cooking technique and style in Cantonese cuisine. I'm born and raised in Malaysia, a country blessed with a lot of spice. I like pepper the most. I found the tanginess and the intensity or the flavor blends very well with many ingredients, especially beef. UK has all year supplier for fresh seasoning product and good quality meat. I'm great that and I can access to their ingredients easily when design my dish. Sous is a kind of a technique that is not common used in Cantonese cuisine. It helps retain the new natural flavor, and for the food also a great way to reach the perfect internal consistency. To me, cooking is both of an art and science. I enjoy the creativity side for experimenting different flavors as well as the science of how to prepare them and bring them onto the plate.